Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many operations on Messenger. You will go to settings, you will click here. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will search about Messenger and you will click. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then in this page you click on clear cache, and after that you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again